This is an air conditioner brand that is locally manufactured, and its PCB is manufactured by TCL. It is showing an E8 error. Let me explain the situation in which the E8 error is occurring. First, let's turn it on. Now we have turned it on, it will start. Notice that the airflow is very strong. After this, the outdoor unit will also start. We need to monitor the amps and the gas pressure carefully, and right now, friends, it has started and is drawing 6.4 amperes, so it starts very quickly. Let's also check the pressure. The standing pressure was 300 psi, and now it's slowly building up. Initially, the gauge went down, but now the gauge has started to go up, meaning it has begun to draw more. Keep watching, as it will go up to 10 amperes, which will help us understand things better. And you can see that the pressure has started to rise. Now see, the pressure has gone up to 150 psi, and the amperes are slowly increasing, approaching 11 amperes. It's been running for quite a while now, and it's currently drawing 11.6 amperes, which is very high for any unit, especially considering this is a 1.5-ton unit. Look, the gauge is rising above 150 psi, which is more pressure than it should handle, and the amperes are also very high. Soon, the E8 error will appear, and once it does, we'll try to solve it. You can see that the E8 error has appeared on the display. Before the E8 error appeared, it had reached 12.8 amperes, which is extremely high because it shouldn't go above 9 amperes. If it exceeds 9 amperes, it means there's a problem. Now let's check where this issue is coming from. Now the unit is working perfectly, and the error has been cleared from the unit. Let's start it again. Notice, when we turned it on, the unit showed a temperature of 16 degrees, and now it will start running. We'll also let you know how long it runs without showing any errors, because earlier, the error would appear after 5 to 6 minutes. So now let's see how it performs. Now the unit is working perfectly because previously the error would appear after 5 to 6 minutes, but now you can see that the unit's pressure is around 130 psi, which is an ideal pressure. The current amperage is 9.5, and I'll also show you the rated amperage from the company. The company rated amperage is 10.5, but currently it's at 9.5 amperes, which is a good level, and the unit is now functioning perfectly. We've resolved the error now, and we'll share what possible faults could occur and what steps we took to fix it. The fault in this air conditioner is different from other models. Let's discuss what other issues could arise. When both the outdoor and indoor units become very dirty, it can lead to an E8 error. Besides this, if the outdoor fan motor isn't working or has stopped, it can also cause an E8 error. In this unit, the outdoor fan motor is an AC motor, so if it fails, the PCB has a sensing system that detects it. If the motor stops, the E8 error can occur because the compressor will start to overheat significantly. Now, if we talk about the resistance value of this sensor, I'll let you know its value. First, let me show you the faulty sensor's reading. We've already replaced it. Notice that we removed the original connector because we didn't have a replacement connector. So, I cut it and attached this new connector instead. Now you can see that we've connected the probes to this sensor. The room temperature is 36.8 degrees Celsius, and at this temperature, it's showing a reading of 12.42 kiloohms, which is quite low. So what should its actual value be at this temperature? Additionally, we'll also share the expected value at 25 degrees Celsius. Now let's check the reading of the working sensor at 36.6 degrees Celsius to better understand the difference. At this temperature, it's showing a reading of 31.41 to 31.42 kiloohms, meaning there's currently a 50% difference between the two sensors. Let's now test it by placing it in water, as this will give us a clearer understanding of the reading. We've dipped it in water, and we'll leave it for a while so it can stabilize. We'll then maintain the temperature at 25 degrees Celsius for further measurement. Now you can see that we've dipped both sensors in water so they can stabilize. The current temperature is 25.6 degrees Celsius. Let's check the reading of the working sensor first. It's showing a value of 54.6 kiloohms. Now let's check the other sensor by attaching the probes. It's showing 19.59 kiloohms, which is quite low. This low value is why there was an issue with the unit, as the amperes were also rising significantly, the ham contributing to the problems and causing the E8 error. Click on the left or right thumbnail to watch our next videos, and subscribe. Thank you.